Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to turn on dark mode in Microsoft PowerPoint in just a few clicks. So let's get started. Firstly, go to Start menu. Here you will type PowerPoint. Then open PowerPoint. Open blank presentation, or if you have any saved presentation. Now go to File. Here you will see Options. Click on Options. Now in General tab, you will see Office theme. Here it is. Click on the drop down. Now here you will see all the colors like dark gray, black, white. Use system setting or colorful. I want black. Click on black. Now click on OK. Here you will see. Yes, that's it. You will see PowerPoint color theme change to dark mode. That's it. Now you know how to enable dark mode in Microsoft PowerPoint for a more comfortable viewing experience. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and check out my other Microsoft Office tutorials. Thanks for watching.